जिया हलाए दादा जिया हलाए तिया बाबा हो जिया हलाए तिया बाबा जिया हलाए तिया बाबा हो जिया हलाए तिया बाबा वा 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 जिया हलाए तिया बाबा हो जिया हलाए तिया बाबा वा 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 छाव में राज़े कैसा राज़े छाव में राज़े कैसा राज़े बाज़ी गरजे आहे बाज़ी बाज़ी गरजे आहे बाज़ी जिया हलाए तिया वाह वाह हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 जिया हलाए तिया वाह वाह हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 तीजी आया तीजी थी दस तीजो दर दाता की न छड़ी दस तीजो दर दादा की न छड़ी दस जिया ने पाए तिया बाबा हो जिया ने पाए तिया बाबा वाह 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 जिया हलाए तिया बाबा हो जिया हलाए तिया बाबा वाह 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 सिकावारन के दाता सार लहे तो सिकावारन जी दाता सार लहे तो चोलियो तिन जो सदाई भरे तो हो चोलियो तिन जो सदाई भरे तो सब तीजे हाथ में वाह 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 हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 जिया हलाए तिया वाह वाह हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह वाह जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 पार ही ठाए पार ही ठाए पार ही ठाए पार ही ठाए हो न जे हाथ में डोरी आए हो न जे हाथ में डोरी आए जिया फेराए तिया वाह 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 हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 जिया हलाए तिया वाह वाह हो जिया हलाए तिया वाह 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 लख देई कैखे लाल करे तो लख देई कैखे लाल करे तो ज्ञान देई कैखे पेंजो करे तो ज्ञान देई कैखे पेंजो करे तो जिया खाराए तिया वाह 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 हो जिया हलाए कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी कृष्णा 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 जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी कृष्णा 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 जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी राधा 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 जय जय राधा कापा के बिहारी जय जय राधा कापा के बिहारी जय जय राधा कापा के बिहारी कृष्णा 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 जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा जय जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी जय जय राधा जय जय राधा जय जय राधा कापा के बिहारी जय जय राधा कापा के बिहारी राधा 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 कृष्णा 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 कृष्ण राधा 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 जिय हलाए दादा जिय हलाए दिय वाह हो जिय हलाए दिय वाह 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 वाह
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
पहरा पोष पर्दा थो चारही चारही वेठो सभिन में एक तू निहारी कहरा पोष पर्दा थो चारही चारही वेठो सभिन में एक तू निहारी एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
दादा
एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू
दादा
एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू एक तू ही तू
शहरन में तू है गोठन में तू
शहरन में तू है गोठन में तू
पहाड़न में तू है पोथन में तू
पहाड़न में तू है पोठन में तू
शहरन में तू है गोठन में तू
शहरन में तू है गोठन में तू
पहाड़न में तू है पोथन में तू
पहाड़न में तू है पोठन में तू
एक तू ही तू तू ही तू तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू तू ही तू तू ही तू
एक तू ही तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू।
पुष्पन पतन में ए गुलिस्ता में,
पुष्पन पतन में ए गुलिस्ता में,
वार्यन में ए वैरान में,
वार्यन में वैरान में,
सिज चंड तारन तेजवारन में,
सिज चंद तारन तेजवारन में,
पारन नंढन निहवारन में, बारन नंढन निहवारन में, गाँव गोकुल गुलकार में, वृंदावन जेवणकार में,
गाँव गोकुल गुलकार में, वृंदावन जेवनकार में,
तू ही तू,
तू ही तू, तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
ओ
एक तू ही तू,
दादा
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू दादा,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू।
निर्मल गंगा जमुना में हो, निर्मल
गंगा ए जमुना में,
मक्का ए मदीना में एक तू ही तू,
मक्का ए मदीना में एक तू ही तू,
निर्मल गंगा में, निर्मल जमुना में हो,
निर्मल गंगा में, निर्मल जमुना में,
निर्मल गंगा है जमुना में तू ही तू,
निर्मल गंगा ए जमुना में तू ही तू,
मक्का ए मदीना में एक तू ही तू,
मक्का ए मदीना में एक तू ही तू,
रात में ए दीह में नूरी निवाणी नीह में,
रात में ए नीह में नूरी निमानी नीह में,
एक तू ही तू,
तू ही तू, तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
एक तू ही तू, एक तू ही तू,
तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू,
तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू,
तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू,
तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू,
तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू दादा, तू ही तू,
तू ही तू दादा, तू
and most beloved Dada, today we're really missing seeing you in this beautiful hall with our outer eyes. But our hearts are nevertheless assured and convinced that you're very much here with us, by us, leading the show, singing along, clapping along, and radiating your warmth and love on all of us, your children. Friends, a very warm welcome to each one of you to this beautiful evening of blessings and bliss, chants and charms, sermon and jingles, love and longing. ऐं तव्हीं सभिनि खे चेटी चंड जूं लख लख ऐं करोड़ करोड़ वाधायूं हुजनि। अॼु जो प्रोग्राम असीं सिंधी में डिज़ाइन कयो आहे। Let me just correct myself. It's going to be partly in Sindhi and partly in English. Here आहे सिंधियत जो महीनो, चेटी चंड जो महीनो। त असीं ब्रिज बिल्डर्स सोचियो छो न असीं हिन महीने में यूथ मीट स्पेशल कयूं, सिंधी में कयूं ऐं हिन प्रोग्राम द्वारा सिंधी सभ्यता ऐं परंपरा खे क़ाइमु रखूं। चवंदा आहिनि कि मुर्शिद खे मिलण लाइ अनेक मार्ग आहिनि, पर तिन सभिनीनि खां सरल ऐं अल्प मार्ग कहिड़ो? हिन ते केतिरा ई आर्ग्यूमेंट्स थींदा आहिनि, पर उहे इंसाननि जे विच में कंदा एतबार तो भावनाउनि जे विच में भी रदकत थींदो आहे। अचो त ॾिसूं भावनाउनि जो प्यार भरो तकरार।
घट घट वासी अंतरयामी मुझो राखो एक तू आही।
दूर हूँ मैं तुझसे दिल पर नहीं मैं जुदा, एक एक प्राण पुकारे तुझको जाने एक खुदा, एक एक प्राण पुकारे।
तवी केर आयो?
मां सिख आया। I am the love and longing for the beloved. I am that emotion which if you keep within you, you will be the closest to your beloved. For me, I just have to call out to him. He is with me. पर पंहिंजे बारे में त ॿुधायो, तव्हीं केर आहियो?
मां सिद्धिक आया। I am faith. I am that treasure which if someone possesses, he will be the richest. This treasure is beyond all materialistic treasures. सिद्धिक आहे त तव्हीं हमेशा पंहिंजे गुरुअ जे नज़दीक रहंदा, उन जे रूबरू रहंदा।
But I still think if you don't have me, if you don't have the love and longing in your heart for your beloved, then you cannot be close to your guru. I am the shortcut to the beloved. मां गुरुअ ताईं पहुचण जो अल्प मार्ग आहियां।
तूं छा बि चओ, रुगो सिक कहिड़े कम जी? जेसि ताईं हिननि प्यारनि जे दिलि में सिदिक न हूंदो, तूं उहो कीअं पंहिंजे गुरुअ खां परे रहण जी तकलीफ़ सही सघंदा? You know, Siddiq is to accept every situation. It is to be thankful in every situation of the Lord. Siddiq ahe, it is absolutely necessary to have it in your heart. And I think until unless you have Siddiq, you cannot reach closer to the Guru.
ठीक आहे, पर मुंहिंजे लाइ दर्द ज़रूरी आहे। For सिक, pain is like fuel to the fire. दर्द में सिक वधंदी आहे।
मिठड़ी ॿुध, सिक केतिरी बि छो न हुजे, पर सिद्धिक खां सवाइ को बि कोन पहुतो पार। सिद्धिक वारनि जो न कॾहिं बि थींदो विंगो वार।
अरे पर सिद्धिक कंहिं लाइ? जॾहिं पहिरीं दिलि में सिक उथंदी, तॾहिं हुन दिलि में सिद्धिक जाॻंदो। हाणे त मुंहिंजी अहमियत सम्झई?
अच्छा, मूंखे हिकु ॻाल्हि ॿुधाए, तूं हिन सभिनीनि भाउरनि भेनरुनि खे ॾिसें थी, छा हिननि में इन्हनि जे दिलि में सिक कोन आहे छा?
छो न आहे?
बेशक बेशक आहे, त तॾहिं बि इहे छो परेशान आहिनि? They have sick, they have longing in their heart, but despite of that, they are fearful, anxious, depressed and insecure in the physical absence of the Guru. Why is that? What is the reason behind that? The reason is they do not have faith. Faith diminishes all worry and fear. But for this, faith needs to be childlike, like our beloved Dada says. असांखे पंहिंजो पूरो विश्वास पंहिंजे मुर्शिद में हुजणु खपे। असांजो गुरु जेको असांजो रिखपाल आहे, असांजो मात पिता आहे, उहो असांजे लाइ सोई कंदो जेको असां लाइ सही आहे, असांखे अहिड़ो विश्वास हुजणु खपे. You know, if you only have sikh and not siddiq, then when you face testing times, your sikh will disappear very fast.
सच तो चवी अदा, इहा ॻाल्हि तुंहिंजी सोरा आना सच्चा आहे. Okay, but do you know that if you spend 1 hour with a person saturated with love, it's equivalent to spending many years of tapasya?
Hare, but if you have siddiq in your heart, a person is ready to do many years of tapasya to get a mere darshan of his beloved.
Maybe, but I still think सिक यो राह आहे सजन खे मिलण वास्ते.
सो चइबो त सिख खां सवाइ मुर्शिद जे रूबरू रहणु मुश्किल आहे. Okay, let me tell you one thing. True faith never questions. But still, can I ask you one question?
Why one question? You can ask me as many questions as you want. पर मां तोखे पक थी ॾियां त नेठि मञणो ई पवंदो त प्रभुअ खे पाइण लाइ प्यास खां वधीक ॿियो को रास्तो ई कोन्हे.
अच्छा, मूंखे ॿुधाए, संत मीराबाई हुई, हूअ कीअं पंहिंजे गिरधर गोपाल खे पातो?
वाह जो सवाल पुछियो अथई. मीराबाई त सिक जो जीड़ो जगंदो मिसाल हुई. कृष्ण मुरारीअ लाइ नंढे हूंदे खां वठी हुई हुन जे निर्मल दिलि में सिक प्यास.
त छा इहा सिक पाण ई कंहिंजे दिलि में जॻे थी छा?
इहा त प्रभुअ जी कृपा सां मिले थी. मीराबाई ते इहा मेहर हुई. संदसि कोमल हृदय में बसि हिक ई प्यास त पायां गिरधर गोपाल. हूअ वर वर नेरनि मां नीर वहाए पे पुकारींदी हुई. मेरे तो गिरिधर गोपाल दूसरो न कोई, जाके सर मोर मुकुट मेरो पति सोई. मेरे तो गिरिधर गोपाल दूसरो न कोई.
तो चयो त केतिरा बि सवाल पुछी सघां थो, त छा हिकु ॿियो सवाल पुछां?
छो न, भली पुछो.
छा हिन सिक जे तुरहे ते मीराबाई पंहिंजे श्याम सुंदर खे पातो? छा उहो महिलात में रांदे पंहिंजे श्याम सुंदर खे पंहिंजे गिरधर गोपाल जो दर्शन कयो?
न, बेशक उन लाइ महिला जो त्याग करणो पियो. हू पेरनि पन निकिती तलाश में.
तूं चई थी कि महिला जो सुख सुविधाऊं छॾे उहो पेरनि पंधु निकिती. मतिलबु ॻाल्हि जो संदसि इहो कि जॾहिं दिलि में विश्वास हो तॾहिं त उहा हिन क़दम ते निकिरी सघी.
अरे पर पहले तो दिल में प्यास उथी ना.
अरे पर जेसि ताईं विश्वास न हो दिलि में त विष जो प्यालो की न सघी पी आहे.
अरे पर पहिरीं प्यास उथी, पहिरीं सिक आयो ऐं पोइ सिदिक. ओके, लेट्स लीव ऑल द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स असाइड. लेट्स थिंक विथ अ कूल माइंड. What should be our goal? What will take us forward, onward on our spiritual journey? What will keep us close in the presence of our beloved?
तो ॾिठो आहे न कि एवरी कॉइन हैज़ टू साइड्स. हर सिके जा ॿ पहलू हूंदा आहिनि.
Yes, ऐं 24 कलाक जे चक्कर में हूंदा आहिनि ॾींहुं ऐं राति.
ताड़ी हिकु हथ सां की न वॼंदी आहे, ताड़ी ॿिन्ही हथनि सां वॼंदी आहे.
बसि हाणे मूं सम्झियो. ॿुधाई छा?
उहो ई जेको मूं सम्झो न. सिक जे सवाइ आहे सिदिक लूलो,
ऐं सिदिक खां सवाइ आहे सिक लंगड़ी.
सिक दिल में उथारे सिक सोज़,
सिदिक चवे हल अॻिते अॻिते हर रोज़.
सिक ऐं सिदिक वारनि जा खां नाहे मुर्शिद दूर.
सिक ऐं सिदिक वारा हली मंज़िल खे पाईंदा ज़रूर.
त छो न गॾिजी करे दादल खां गुरू सिक ऐं सिदिक जो दान.
सजना तो
सभी गॾिजी गायो. सिकड़े सजना तो वट अचा,
सिकड़े सजना तो वट अचा.
सबुर डे सिदिक डे त चरणन विहार.
सबुर दे सिदिक दे त चरणन विहार. सबुर दे सिदिक दे त चरणन विहार. सबुर दे सिदिक दे त चरणन विहार.
रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा.
रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा, रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा, रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा, हमेशा 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 हमेशा, हमेशा 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 हमेशा, रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा।
रहा तुझे रूबरू हमेशा हमेशा।
सिक दे सजना सिदक दे सजना,
सिक दे सजना सिदक दे सजना।
सिक दे सजना सिदक दे सजना, सजना सिदक दे सजना, सबुर दे सिदक दे सिक दे सजना, सबुर दे सिदक दे सिक दे सजना, सबुर दे सिदक दे सिक दे सजना।
सबुर दे सिदक दे सिक दे सजना।
सिक दे सजना सिदक दे सजना।
Friends, so through this enlightening discussion, we realize that faith is a necessity to man, a vitamin for the soul, a knowledge within the heart which is beyond the reach of proof. Whereas on the other hand, the gift most acceptable to the Lord is tears of love and longing. So both are equally important for us on this beautiful journey to reach the beloved. So let us all ask our dearest Dada to bless us with both Sikh and Siddiq so that we may always be very, very close to him. Rakhna hamesha aapke रूबरू दादा।
मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो, मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं, तव्हां सभिनि खे चेटी चंड जूं वाधायूं हुजनि। चेटी चंड पाण सां हिकु ई पैगाम खणी अचे थो। साल ॿ साल अचे थो, पाण सां हिकु ई नियापो खणी अचे थो। चेटी चंड अचे थो, पाण सां इहो सनेहो खणी त तव्हीं नवां थियो, नवां थियो, नवां थियो। असीं चऊं था त अॼु नए साल जो पहिरियों ॾींहुं, नए साल जो पहिरियों ॾींहुं असां वटि इहो ई हिकु सनेहो खणी अचे थो, नवां थियो, नवां थियो, नवां थियो। मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो, मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं, नवां कीअं थियूं? नवे थियण जा केतिरा ई रस्ता आहिनि, केतिरा ई मार्ग आहिनि, पर हिकु रस्तो जंहिंजो तव्हां अॼु हिते ज़िक्र कयो, सिक ॾे ऐं सिदक ॾे। जंहिं दिलि जे अंदरि सिक उथे थी सॼण वास्ते, इश्क उथे थो अलख वास्ते, जंहिं दिलि जे अंदरि उकीर उथे थी ऐं जंहिंखे सिदक आहे, मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो, मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं, उन लाइ ॾाढो सवलो थिए थो हिन रस्ते तां हलण, जो रस्तो असांखे वठी हली पहुचाए थो पंहिंजे प्रीतम जे पेरनि में। पर बेशक सिदक खपे, सिक खपे, पर तंहिंसां गॾु सबूरी बि खपे। इहे टेई ॻाल्हियूं बिल्कुलु ज़रूरी आहिनि। सिक खपे, मुंहिंजा प्रभु मूंखे तूं सिक जो दान ॾे, मुंहिंजे अंदर में अची उकीर तूं उथार, जीअं मुंहिंजी दिलि फ़क़ति तोसां लॻल हुजे, हिकु खिन बि तोखे न विसारे। असांजी जीवन आहे वेसर जो वहिंवार। नंढी वॾी ॻाल्हि ते असीं पंहिंजे प्रीतम पंहिंजे प्रभुअ खे विसारे छॾियूं था। जेॾी सिक असांजे अंदर में उथे थी तॾहिं असीं 24 कलाक 8 पहर एक सॼण जो वीचार करियूं था। सिक ॾे सिदक ॾे जेकी बि थिए हीअं बि सॼण वाह वाह हूअं बि सॼण वाह वाह जेकी तो कयो सो वाह वाह जेकी करी पियो सो वाह वाह जेकी कंदे सो वाह वाह सिक ॾे सिदक ॾे ऐं ॾे मूंखे सबूरी सबूरीअ खां सवाइ फॉर लैक ऑफ पेशेंस सबूरीअ खां सवाइ हिन राह में पंधु करणु मुश्किल। मुंहिंजा प्यारा भाउरो मुंहिंजूं भेनरूं पर मूंखे चयो वञे थो त अॼु सुवालनि जवाबनि जी मीटिंग आहे। सुवाल को बि पुछी सघे थो जवाब को बि ॾेई सघे थो छो त मां सम्झां थो के सुवाल हूंदा जिन जा जवाब मां पूरी तरह तव्हांखे न ॾेई सघां। कंहिं बि वक़्तु जेकॾहिं तव्हीं ॾिसो त कंहिं सुवाल जो जवाब जो मूं ॾिनो आहे उन खां बहितर जवाब तव्हां वटि आहे कृपा करे माइक्रोफोन घुरंदा मूंखे ख़ुशी थींदी जेकॾहिं मां अॼु तव्हां खां कुझु न कुझु सिखी पोइ निंड करियां। हींअर जे तव्हांजी मोकल हुजे त क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पहिरियों सुवाल असीं जेकर पुछूं।
Good evening, Dada. We are missing you here so much, but we are so lucky that we can see you on this big screen here. Seeing your radiant smile is so enlightening for all of us. Dada, we are all praying for your speedy recovery, and soon you are going to be walking to the satsang hall to give us all your blessings.
I feel deeply grateful to you for the blessings that you have bestowed on me. I look forward to the day when I should not merely come to you walking, but I should come to you running.
Dada, we will eagerly wait for that day, and hopefully it's going to come very soon. Dada, now with your kind permission, I read the first question. What is the greatest quality we as humans possess, and how do we make the best use of it?
Do you want answers in English or shall I speak in Hindi?
Dada, English, please.
English. Each quality has its own value, and each individual will regard one quality or the other as the best quality. I regard humility as the best quality. I believe that if a person is humble, all other qualities will flow into his life. But each one has to decide for himself what is the best quality according to him.
The next question. How does one overpower desires?
You can overpower desire. You see, it is very much like climbing a staircase. If you want to go up, you must leave the lower step and place your foot on a higher step. Even so, if you want to give up desire for worldly things, then you should desire God. It may not be in our hands to desire God. The desire for God itself is a gift which God gives to us. Therefore we should pray to Him. God, 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 I want to love you more and more. Grant me pure love and devotion for thy lotus feet. And so bless me that this world bewitching Maya may not lead me astray. This should be the constant prayer of our heart. We should not pray merely once or twice or thrice, but every time that we get a chance to do so, we should keep on offering this prayer to the Lord. Lord, grant me pure love and longing. Grant me deep yearning for thy lotus feet. And so bless me that this world bewitching Maya may not lead me astray.
The next question. How can we learn to be happy and grateful at all times, just like you are?
I don't know if I am, but I do wish to be. But if you want to be happy at all times, then you should blend your will with the divine will. Things happen according to the will of God. And if only I can will what God wills for me, I will be happy at all times.
The next question. Dada, these days, everyone, irrespective of their age, seem to lose their temper very easily. Dada, can you please give us some practical tips for anger management?
Anger, I believe, is the karma that we have brought with ourselves. And we cannot fight our own karma unaided. We need the help of a superior power, of a power higher and above ours, to be able to control anger. This superior power, for want of a better word, we call God. God has two aspects. There is the father aspect of God, there is the mother aspect of God. We should appeal to God in our mother aspect. We should go to God as we would go to our mother, and we should pray to her, Ma, Ami, Ma, Mother. I cannot do it on my own. Every time that I have tried to control my anger, I have failed. It is only when your love and your patience and your wisdom flow into me that in your love, in your patience, in your wisdom, I will be able to stand up and face every trial and temptation and come out victorious. But the victory belongs to thee, Mother. Jaya, 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 Jagama. Jaya, 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 Jagadama. Jaya, 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 Jagadamba. If we repeat this prayer over and over again, we shall be surprised with the results. If we do it on our own, we will not be able to succeed, because it is our karma that we have brought with ourselves. We can't fight our own karma unaided.
The next question is about marriage. If the person we are going to get married to is already chosen for us, then why do we have to scrutinize so many marriage proposals? Why does God send us so many options?
That too perhaps has been chosen for us. It has been chosen for us that we should look into different choices and then choose the one that they have already chosen.
Dada, is
Destiny has decided for us a particular path. If we moved only on that path, then firstly we would be like machines, and secondly we would not have an opportunity of framing our future destiny. Therefore many choices are offered unto us. But we will always make the choice that we have already made for us in the astral world. Yes.
Thank you, Dada. Dada, is it all right to have feelings for a person whom you love, even when you know that the person does not love you back?
It is for you to be a radiator of love. Your love must go out to all, irrespective of whether you get back love from that particular person or not. Your love must go. You are just a radiator. The sun shines on all. The sun does not say that A worships me, B does not worship me, I shall not shine for B. No. The sun continues to shine on all. You have to be a radiator of love. You keep on sending out love to everyone, irrespective of whether the other person loves you or not. In Hindi we have a proverb, "Tu apani tor nibhaye, uski o jane." You do your duty, you play your part, irrespective of whatever the other person does. That should be the rule of every spiritual aspirant. Yes.
Dada, is religion important for reaching to God?
What do you mean by religion?
Dada, I mean, if you just belong to a religion or a community.
No, it is not necessary. Religion, as you put it, is a man-made thing. It is not necessary. A person can belong to no religion and yet reach God.
Dada, what is the fastest way to reach God?
They told you Sikha,
And Siddiq.
Siddhik, Saburi.
Thank you, Dada. Dada, as children, we feel our parents are not able to understand our feelings and emotions, and this creates a communication gap. We feel our parents are interfering. How do we resolve this?
If only you explain to yourself that the greatest gift that life can give is the gift of the human birth. And this human birth, this greatest gift that life can give, you have obtained through your parents. I think you will have great respect for your parents. And once you have respect for your parents, you will be able to understand them better. I have been given this human birth because of my parents. It is they who gave me this human birth as a gift. Otherwise I could have been born as a cow, as a dog. I could have been born as a mosquito. I could have been born as an insect. This greatest gift of life has been given us by our parents. And it is a gift which, let me tell you, not all the wealth of the world can purchase. Suppose I were prepared to give all the wealth that Bill Gates and that Ambani's and that Warren Warren Buffett has. I will not be able to get a human birth. This gift has been given me by my parents. In due course, I will realize that what my parents have said is correct. I am not on the right track. I forget the name of the great man, but this great man wrote, he said, when I was 20, I thought my parents were stupid. I was the only wise one in the family. Then he says, when I became 30, I began to realize that there is some little wisdom in what the parents say, but most of the wisdom is with me. He says, when I became 50, I realized that my parents were wise, I was foolish.
Dada, my grandmother is above 75 years of age. She has a suffering in her body. She says someone is coming to take her, and after that she cries in a lot of pain. Dada, please bless her and suggest what should we do for her pain.
We should all pray for her. And I think it may do her good if you consult a psychiatrist. If I get stomachache, I go to a doctor, don't I? A physician, a physical doctor, a physician. Likewise, there are diseases of the mind, sicknesses, illnesses, maladies of the mind. Then we should go to doctors of the mind, psychiatrists. But prayer also will help considerably.
Dada, each time I try to come to the satsang, something stops me. Some circumstances are beyond my control. Dada, does it mean you don't love me and I am not ready for the spiritual path?
No, it only means in the measure in which you face those difficulties, in that measure the hidden Shakti, the hidden energy, the hidden vitality that is within you unfolds itself.
Dada, as a parent, I would like to know if it is safe to send my child to Western country for education. Though the education is advanced, there is always a worry of bad influence.
It is true. It is only if your child is mature enough that you should send him, not otherwise. How old is your child? How mature is he? Answers to these two questions should decide whether you should send the child to Western countries or not. But now Western universities are opening their branches here in India and in Dubai and places close to India. It may not be very necessary to send your child to Western countries.
Dada, should we continue with a few more questions?
If you like,
The next question, Dada.
if the audience like.
Yes, Dada. Dada, you always speak of dwelling at the lotus feet of the Gurudev. What does lotus feet really mean?
Lotus feet are the Gurudev walks on his feet. Therefore, to sit or to seek the blessings of the lotus feet means seeking the ideals on which he walks. There are certain ideals which are very dear to the Gurudev. I should imbibe those ideals. I should also walk on those ideals. I should also regulate my life according to those ideas. That is what it means.
Thank you, Dada. Dada, next question. Why is there evil in this world? How should we, as spiritual beings, respond to aggression and terrorism?
Evil is there in this world. We have created it. God, when He created us, He gave us as much freedom as He kept for Himself. But freedom entails responsibility. I am free to move on the right path. I am free to move on the wrong path. If I move on the right path, the result is going to be right. If I move on the wrong path, the result is going to be wrong. In the Upanishad, the Rishi uses two words, prayer and shreya. He says at every step and in every round of life, man is given a choice, either to move on the path of prayer or to move on the path of shreya. Prayer is the pleasant. The path of prayer is a slippery path. It is a smooth path. It is an easy path. It doesn't cost an effort to move on that path. But that path leads to man's doom, creates evil. Shreya is the path that leads to our highest good. It is a steep path. It is a narrow path. It is a thorny path. It is a path paved with flames. But it is a path that leads to man's highest good. Most of us, we choose to move on the path of prayer, therefore we are manufacturing evil. Why is there terrorism? Because we ourselves have become terrorists. For centuries together, we have become terrorists. Human beings have become terrorists to animals. If animals see us from a distance, they run away. In the Sufi books we read that Rabia, the woman saint of Islam, she was playing with animals. Suddenly, another Sufi came to meet Rabia. His name was Sufyan. When Sufyan came, barely did he approach Rabia, then all the animals fled. And Sufyan asked Rabia, how is it that this happened? You were playing with the animals, they were with you, sitting with you as friends. When I came, they all ran away. Why? Because Rabia said to Sufyan, because you eat the flesh of animals, because you kill them, because you slaughter them, because you trouble them. We have become terrorists, and now that terrorism is returning to us. We are the creators of evil. As spiritual aspirants, we must create good forces. We must send out good vibrations. This is the great need of the modern world today.
The next question. Is it ideal to donate body organs after death?
Provided you are sure that they will be used in the right way. Yes. But I am told when you donate your organs, they are being sold in the bazaar. How far is this true? I do not know.
That is the next question. How does one help a person who is feeling suicidal?
You should explain to him that suicide does not solve problems. We get messages from the other side. They say to us, tell the people never to commit, never to think of committing suicide. We thought our problems would be solved if we committed suicide, but we find that our problems have now been worse compounded. Solution: suicide is not a solution. Suicide is only a dissolution. Once the people understand this, they will not think of committing suicide. Life is a gift which God has given to us. Only God can take it away from us. We do not have the right to take away the life of any living creature except in self-defense. Therefore, even euthanasia is not correct. Taking one's own life because the body is suffering terribly, even that is not permitted.
Thank you, Dada, for enlightening us with your words of wisdom today. And we hope for the next youth meet you come running to us.
I will come flying.
Thank you, Dada.
Thank you very much.